Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily change and adjust your gamma. So at first we have to go to the control panel here and scroll down till you see the settings. Click it and click on settings again. Scroll to the picture and enter that. Here scroll again to the expert settings and scroll down till you see the gamma. Here the 2.2 version is not changeable, adjustable actually, so we have to click it and click this one here. And now to adjust we can increase it or decrease it using the left and right arrows and from -3 up to 3. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.